Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Keneiloe Myoli. If you're here for the first time, I hope that you will like it, share and subscribe on the red button down below to become a part of the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today is the 12th of April, it's Sunday, and we are at the golf course. So I thought, let me just start a new vlog here. I'm not sure how the week is gonna go, but I would have started it properly. I'm with this guy here. No, he has tomato sauce. Oh, excuse. Okay, I can't take it off. We were having Russian and chips. Excuse the noise. We're right by the edge of the golf course, so yeah, it's a bit noisy here because of the cars. I hope you guys can hear me. The hubby is over there playing. Yeah, we're not planning on staying long today, so I doubt I'm gonna have a vlog again. It's my husband is looking at me, he's like, oh, this one. I doubt I'm gonna have a vlog again that revolves around like us just at the golf course. I think I'm just gonna add like a few different things. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, you're gonna give the people content. Let me clean this guy's face. He's disturbing his dad, and I think he's sleepy as well. And guys, we didn't bring a picnic blanket, so his blanket that we normally take, we're sitting on it, so it means we don't have a blanket for him. But it's becoming a bit chilly. I think let me just put on something warmer on him as well, because he's a bit sleepy. And I don't know, there's something about kids and warmth when they are sleepy, unless if it's hot. He's having his bottle. Zuzu? Okay, I'll check you guys later or during the week. Yeah. If I don't get to do this, please thumbs up the video if you like it. And remember to subscribe, to comment, share the video with your family and friends.
A few moments later.
So guys, I went to do my hair yesterday. What do you guys think? I love it. Can you guys see it properly? Yeah, there you go. This is how it looks. It's a bit long. I can make this loose. I just decided to tie it up because it was I'm busy chasing after Zukanye, and it's the hair, the side. So a funny story about this hair is when was it? Okay, so remember last month on my birthday on the 5th of March, I decided to go do my nails. And yeah, so this other friend of mine, my husband keeps staring at me, guys. So this other friend of mine, I've seen 2 of her hairstyles and I really like them. So I asked her, sorry guys, this thing is bothering me. Just this. Okay, yeah, I saw these 2 hairstyles of hers, and I asked her where do you do your hair? And she said in what's that place? Yeah, but somewhere in Centurion, another side of Centurion. So I'm like, oh, okay. So on my birthday, and she also does her nails there. So on my birthday, I decided that I wanna do something nice for myself, well, including nails. Or nails or something nice, because I hadn't done it since I hadn't done my nails since I gave birth, right? So we went on my birthday, and my friend was planning on doing her hair, but she didn't end up plating. so we didn't take long. I just did my nails. I think she only washed her hair and we left. And okay, and then yesterday, which was a Saturday, I wanted to do my hair because I wanted to do my hair I think about 2-3 weeks back, but it was full at the salon where I normally do my hair. So I thought yesterday I had time, like it was the nanny's first Saturday back, no, first Saturday in, because I have a new nanny. Story for another day. Okay, but she's not a new nanny. She's, if you've watched the video on like the clues on how to pick a nanny, like if you've watched that video, you would, there's a nanny that I mentioned that I had when I mentioned that I had her when I was on maternity leave, but I couldn't keep her because she couldn't be a live-in because she has her own. Hi. She has her own family. Come. Give mommy big hug. Hello. Hello. Dad. Come to mommy. Yeah. Hey, jump, 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 jump. Come jump. Kick. Kick, my boy. Kick. Are you leaving your ball now? Okay. Come. Oh, you don't want me to hold you? Okay. Come, you go in that side. Come. Here you go. Bye. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, mom. Come, let's go. Up. Hurry. Bye. Mommy's leaving you behind, okay? Hurry. Imagine take people's golf balls. Hi. You should throw it. Oh, it's tiny. Hi. Don't throw the balls here. How are they gonna find them? Guys. Don't throw it there again. Let's go. Let's go. Not that side, but boy, come. Bye. Hey. Hey, jump. Jump, jump. Hey, jump. Leave the trap, my baby. Let's go. We are going that side.
Mom.
Mom.
Acha.
Water.
Acha.
Water. Don't be scared of the swing. Come. Come to Mama. Yay, Mommy. Yay, Mommy. Come sit here with Mama. Yay. Guys, I just discovered this. He's so scared. Why have I never seen this before? Come sit here with Mama. Come. Don't be scared, my baby. Come. How it is. Come. Come sit on top of Mommy. Come. Hey. Come. Come sit on top of Mama. Come. Don't be scared. Come. Woo. Ouch. Excuse. Come sit on top of Mama. Come. Guys, I just discovered this swing. He is so scared of it. Oh, it's so nice. I feel like a child again. So this is how long this hair is. Show you guys. Yay! 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 Don't push it, okay? If you're scared of it. It's okay? No. Come sit on top of Baba. Okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clearly he doesn't last long on this thing. So this is how they swing. Let's see guys. Alright, let's leave guys, okay? Guys, my 5G router has finally arrived. I'm so excited. Let me show you. After much delay, but yeah, I'm so happy that it's here. So excited. But I wonder now, like, but that girl that I spoke to did say they're gonna charge me pro rata for the number of days that I used my 4G, and I just got an SMS now saying that they have activated my 5G. So I just need to cancel that SIM quickly. Yeah, let me do that. Can I do it now? Can I do it later? I wonder. Sure. Mama, see. Hey, where you going? Oh, oh, hey, hey, hey. Let's go open the gate, okay? Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Come, let's go. Okay, are you opening the garage for mommy? It's from the bottom, my boy. From here, come. From the bottom. Here, help mommy. Help mommy. Come, help mama. Help mama. Help mommy. Yeah. Put on your hoodie. Let's go. Let's go. Don't take off your gown. Come. What's wrong? Hey guys, so it's midweek and I'm about to take a bath. But I just wanted to show you guys these products that I absolutely love. I feel like I say absolutely a lot. But okay, I love these products a lot. Like a lot. So what I use first, wait, let me see if my camera is... As I was saying, I love this body scrub from Sobe. So it says firming body scrub, age control, pomegranate, green tea, cranberry and vitamin E, scrub and tone me. It smells really good. I got this a few months ago. I don't use it a lot. I use it once in a while when I feel like I really want to like soak in the bathtub, because I'm a person that prefers the bathtub than the shower. I don't know, it's just something about growing up and being told like, yeah, a girl should like, you know, sit in the bathtub, bath properly, but guys, like there's so many debates about whether you should bath or shower. I know like showers take less time, etc., but I'm just not a shower girl. I shower once in a while. Like my husband gets really shocked when I step into the shower. But I know like when you go on vacation, most places have showers, so I'm forced and it's not my favorite, but once in a while I don't mind. I probably step into the shower like maybe 4 times a year. I'm a bathtub girl, guys. So I'm about to step into the bathtub now. I'm just gonna put this on. Let me show you guys how it looks inside. Okay, I don't open it properly, guys, but this is how it is. Almost finished, as you can see. I'll just try to give you like a sneak peek of how it looks on my body. But I love the smell. And then when I'm done, I just go in with this body butter. It's the same as the same ingredients as well, and it smells the same. So that's what I do once in a while when I feel like spoiling myself. So yeah, let me just show you guys. Let me put this on and show you how it would look. So this is the consistency, right? This is how it looks. It's sort of like, you know, those home remedies that people bake themselves at home with like the coarse salt, and yeah, it's just like an exfoliator. It says a scrub, but yeah, it's a scrub. So I'm just going to show you. I just put on some of it, but I just want to show you guys how it would look. So this is how it is, and this is what you do on your skin. You just go in and show you guys like this. So you see, so you would need to like rub this on. It's quite similar to like what they do when you go for a massage and you exfoliate. So yeah, your body ends up becoming like quite shiny and all. And what I love is that when you eventually like get out of the water, your skin is gonna be so smooth, and then you just go in with the body butter afterwards. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna chill in the bathtub. I'm so tired, you guys. Like, I'm tired, beyond tired. So yeah, guys, I forgot to mention, with this thing you don't need to like go into the bathtub. You can just use the shower. The shower works perfectly fine. I think you just need your water to be quite hot or warm, because like it's oily, so you need to wash it off properly.
Talk to me now.